In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add new currency in Zoho Books. This is really useful if you work with international customers or vendors and you want your invoices, bills, or payments to reflect the correct currency. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to go and what to fill in so your new currency is ready to use. First, make sure you're logged into your Zoho Books account and you're on the main dashboard. From here, look towards the top right corner of the screen for the settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you'll find all the configuration options for your organization. Once you're inside the settings page, look for the section labeled Setup and Configurations. This section groups together the options that control how your account behaves behind the scenes, including currencies, taxes, and other financial settings. Click on Setup and Configurations to open it. Within Setup and Configurations, you'll see an option called Currencies. This is where Zoho Books keeps the list of all currencies currently available in your organization. Click on Currencies to open the Currency Management page. Here, you'll see any currencies that are already set up, along with details like their codes and exchange rates. To add a new currency, look for the button that says New Currency, usually located at the top right of the Currencies page. Click on New Currency to start creating a new entry. A form will appear where you can fill in the details for the new currency. Select the currency name and code from the drop-down list, making sure it matches the official international code, such as USD, EUR, or any other currency you need. You may also see fields for the symbol, the format for how amounts will display, and possibly the exchange rate relative to your base currency. Take a moment to review these fields carefully. If you're not sure about the current exchange rate, you can look it up from a reliable financial source or leave it as is if Zoho Books updates it automatically for you. Once you've double-checked all the information and you're satisfied with the settings, scroll down and click on Save. Zoho